we're here for the trunk or treat at Cutler Ridge Park.
Alright, we're here at the trunk or treat at Cutler Ridge Park. We're going to do some trick or treating. Everybody's dressed up. First thing I'm noticing is this is a lot bigger than I've ever seen in previous years. What's up, man?
I hope
What you got?
Good. Excellent, bro.
How you doing?
Thanks for coming, man.
Yeah.
Cutler Ridge soccer program. It's kind of awesome, you know.
I always wanted to try Milky Way and I got it.
Alright. You got a drone right there. You're not supposed to fly it over people.
Our name is A Martial Arts. We are a martial arts news community area, and we focus on family values. We don't do it for the commercial, so to speak, not so much for the money, but for the family, for the discipline, all the values that the kids need in this age.
Big Floyd is a hometown barbecue that basically is Texas style. We only do real barbecue. We only wood fired, real rubs, real fire, real wood, no gas.
Okay. And where are you guys located at?
168th in O'Connor behind the farm stores, right next to Starbucks and Serve Pizza.
All right, thanks. Is that your only location?
Yeah, that's it, and that'll be the only location. So if
Okay.
you want something, you got to come there.
Awesome.
And it's only Palmetto Bay and Cutler Bay. So.
And what's your name?
Patrick.
Patrick.
Pleasure, brother. Thank you. Thanks, man.
Over here! Over! Pick him up. Who got run over? Skittles.